Paddles, stroke, 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 stroke.
Ratso, I would gladly help, but that fourth sandwich, slowed me down just a trifle. Take a ride here.
We're running aground.
Improvise, my rowing rodent, improvise. Your pedal extremities were invented before paddles. Yes, sir. Canoes are marvelous devices with many uses. Not the least of which is holding a giant chocolate sundae.
Doggy, you're a dynamite dog.
I know.
A canoe full of ice cream. Huh?
Topped with a cherry.
Aha! I got 'em red-handed this time. Bullhorn, have you flipped? See? I told you he was...
908, 909, 910.
Bullhorn, get out of my sight! Back to your duties!
Okay, Ratso, the coast is clear. And dessert is here.
Oh, boy! Yahoo! Yowie!
I hate to admit it, but he's a rat after my own heart.